to my tech education YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach about how to create a effect like a Thor effect in Filmora. Okay, let's go our Filmora session. Came to the Filmora software, and now you want to drop your video. Now I record from webcam, record it. Okay, now my I choose my webcam. Now I get a record from my webcam. Okay, now I record it, and now I click on OK. My video was a little bit dark, yeah, and drop your video for timeline. It's like this. It's a small, it's little bit dark. Okay, I do not want this clip, and I cut it and click on delete. Okay, now my video was okay now, and you want to download a picture. I put that picture for on description. Okay, now I get it to my timeline. Okay, now I get it, and now I crop it for my eye. Okay, uh, now I select it to my eye, and went to the your video, and go right click it and go to the show properties, and you can see like this option, and click on tracking mountain tracking, and select it place. Okay, and now click on start tracking. Okay, now choose your this file name. Its name file, and okay, and give okay. And its video is like this. And now I cut it because my video is long than my picture. Now I delete it. Okay, now this is my video. Now I get my video, copy and drop it to timeline and cut it, delete and uh, gets this eyes option, and yeah, now drop it to timeline and cut and delete it. Now you can show like this and crop it. Okay, now my video was like this, and yeah, and now you can see those eyes in video. Yeah, now it's okay. Both are same now, and click on second video and give mountain track. Okay, now you can see the video is like this, and yeah, now go to the simple green screen and get lighting option. Now on the click on a video and put a chroma key and give it and click on OK. Go to the green screen and it's give it, and it's like now you can see the thunder Thor. Yeah, now now output was uh, like this. Okay, now I select it, and now my video is okay. Now okay, my video now my Thor, I create Thor effect and yeah, uh, today lesson also in today lesson over now, and please subscribe me and follow in Instagram. Thank you.